Lab sa itong mga robotics lab. Lab sa itong mga robotics na mga kaganapans. Yala mga kamigsipin na kalundeg at doon ako si Pa. I will teach Papi how to the robotics. To robotics. Like that lang oh. It's easy step. Once diba you sit down here. Sit. And then I will teach you one of the techniques. I will teach you one of the techniques like if you will going to stand up, don't like that lang straight. Don't like that. It's a wrong. And even you guys, you can learn also. You can get a lot of learnings from this video. And then you sit down, don't straight like that. It's a big X.
Okay.
So you need to first you need to do that your head like from this do that and then like this down. Put down. Don't in the left right foot first. Remember. Right, left, then like that. Okay? Again, sit down, do that, right and left, then up, and then like that. Always in the right, remember that. Okay? Always in the right, like that. And then again. And then you like that, You like that. And then if you're in the table, you will going to get these plates. You will like this,
Calm down.
like this, ikaw.
What is that?
So you're supposed to
You're trying to kill the plate or what?
no, like this,
Okay.
like this. Always sit in the right. Don't forget about that one.
Sige.
It's a big mistake if you will like do that in the left,
Only one.
and then you will like get the plates, and then just don't like that, Like that, diba? You will like that. One plate every time. One steps at a time. And then you go. Like that na siya. Like that. Like that na siya lang.
See. Oh,
You
that
learn
sound me. That
something?
sound like the robot right there. That sound.
You learn something from
See, that
this.
sound me.
And then the slow mo is ito lang. You can choose between times 2, times 5 and times 20.
Oh shit.
So the times 20 from slow mo, and then you will be fast. Like that times 20. But if you want to be more lang like not so fast, you just lang here. Times 5.
Okay.
Times 5 dapat times 20 like slow mo and then like that. That's a times 20.
So how do I? Okay, come over here. So how do I turn it?
Just ano mo yan?
Turn it dress.
Just do that lang lab. But the hands once you're a robot lab, always do like that. Your hands. And then if you walk slow mo, times you need to like that like that taas. And then times 5 like
Okay, times 5. Okay,
like that.
You look like a fucking puede.
See?
Good.
You see? Okay. So you learn something? Maybe you don't like it?
What I learned is vaso, trico.
Love, do something robotics ba? It's easy lang, one love.
Okay, hold on. So I go the right first.
Yeah, right
Okay.
first.
I go slow, right? And then I bring up like that.
Like that.
I go like that. Like that. And I go like this. Like that.
Ahay, guloy tis, mali